So today we're going to be going over 4 life insurance companies where you can go ahead and get coverage without any medical exams. Now, I'm going to have them all linked in the show notes down below if you want to check them out. It does help support out the channel so you can get more content just like this. So let's go ahead and hop over here on the other screen so we can go over these companies. So the first company with no medical exam, this is going to be with term life insurance, is a company called Ladder. Now, here's the great thing with Ladder once I switch over here so we can get those going. You can see here, it is actually super easy to apply online or through an app. So if you have your phone, you can actually click on that link down in the show notes below and it'll take you to the app and you can go through the sign up process. What's really great about Ladder is that you can actually increase or decrease your coverage as needed. So if you start having kids or things change in your life, you can go ahead and increase it, or you can go ahead and decrease it right on your phone if things change in your life. Now, like we mentioned, there is no medical exam for up to $1 million. Now, if you did want to go beyond that, you will have to do a medical exam, but just something to keep in mind. It is available for ages 18 to 65, and you can actually go up to $2 million in coverage. And again, you can increase and decrease as needed. Now, next up here is going to be Haven Life. Now, with Haven Life, again, you can also apply online or through an app, again, with the link down below. Now, this is going to be backed by Mass Mutual, so a very large company for most people who want to have that extra level of safety. And you can see right over here, there is also no medical exam for up to $500,000. So if you're wanting to go through that process, you can also get more if you needed to. You can see here ages 18 to 65, and you can do up to, although it says TP right there, so I accidentally put that wrong, up to $3 million. Now, here's a really cool thing that Haven Life also does as well, is you can get a digital service for an online will. So if you don't even have a will available, this will have the opportunity for you to create a will with your term life insurance. So next up here on the list is going to be with a company called Fabric. Again, you can also apply online or through an app, and you can actually go through this process in as little as 5 minutes. Their terms range from 10, 15, 20, 25, or even 30 years for you. You can do anywhere from $100,000 to $5 million, and there's no medical exam up to $1.5 million. So anything above that, you will have to go through that medical exam. They also offer a free will. Again, this is a really great additional bonus and feature for a lot of people, so that way they can go ahead and get a will written up. Now, next up here is going to be with a company called Besto, and you can see here it's also fast and online and through an app. And that's what I love about these companies, are all app available for you. So you can go through this process directly on your phone, whether you want to do it through the app or on the web browser. There is, again, no medical exam. This one is going to be for all tiers. And then right over here, you can get a quote in just moments. So it really just goes through the quick motion of trying to figure out how much you can potentially go for. And then you can get coverage up to $1.5 million. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to have a link for all these companies in the show notes down below. You can check them out, jump right to the apps or even the web browser so you can go ahead and sign up and get coverage for term life insurance. And once you go ahead and go through that process and you are fully covered with term life insurance, I want you to check out my next video right over here to keep on learning. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.